Yo, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel, and we're back with another video. It is day 2 on our vacation. We decided to take a little tour down the coast to the Tillamook Creamery. This is apparently where they make all the cheese and pepperoni sticks and ice cream and all that stuff. So yeah, we're gonna try to find a bathroom. You can see that there's plenty of tourists. It's probably the most touristy thing we've ever done yet. But we are here, and hopefully we'll get some cheese samples and stuff like that, and we're gonna take you guys along for the ride. And hopefully there's no music in there to get copyrighted. So we're gonna start off by looking for a bathroom. Yep. Look at all this people. It's like a herd of people.
Okay, restrooms first, baby.
Okay.
Don't do anything until I get back. So come with me.
Look at all the history. Look at that. Start here, self-guided.
Oh, into video.
Self-guided tour upstairs.
Ready?
Yep. All right, doesn't start till this step right here, actually. So start here.
Now
okay,
we go.
now we're started.
Girls walking, we're doing it.
Oh, the cheese blocks ahead of us. Look at these guys. These are the guys that invented cheese. The original cheddar recipe. Thanks, dude. Oh yeah, they make yogurt and all sorts of stuff. Oh, there's the farmers. Yeah, it starts off right here. I had to do this when I was a little kid. Make a bottle. And you just had to like wiggle it like that. I had a cow named Patch.
Original name.
Yep.
That's an original name. Treat the cows like queens. You hear that?
We could just hook that thing up to you, baby.
Go this way and around. And
Yeah. Here's the actual plant itself, the processing plant. We need to just pass these people. Alright, so this is this. It says the milk arrives, step 1. So they get it from the farmers. Step 2, herds and weigh. Number 3, cheddar master. Number 4, past and present. What's he doing right there? Inspecting things. The salter. Block forming towers. See what that does.
salting is the last step before we press the curve. So it does more than actually.
Look at those big blocks of cheese.
Yep.
Puts it in a bag, or there's a machine that puts it in a bag, and then it seals it up tight. Yeah. So then they come over here,
Tillamook things.
and they go from the vacuum.
Right.
Oh, they get boxed.
Well, that does for the warehouse, but this is the packaged cheese.
Oh yeah, there you go.
So that's probably going out to, or they're just putting that in the warehouse and they probably bring it out. See how they have it in those little chunks?
Mm-hmm.
Probably cut them into little chunks.
There it is. So that's when they get wrapped up. They go from those little tiny cubes.
Yep.
I don't think I could work with this much cheese without taking a bite every once in a while.
There's the big boxes coming back. That's how they get put into the little ones. So they put those in the warehouse, remember in the very first step? The big clumps, and then they put them in the warehouse for a while, and then they start bringing them out. Maybe they need to age for a while in there, and then they bring them out and start cutting them, slicing them into the smaller chunks, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Where do you think they make the sliced ones?
They probably just use all the scraps.
What about the sliced
Like that
ones?
little box of scraps right there,
Right.
the little tub. And they probably shred it up. They're running through a shredder.
That, or what about the sliced ones that are pre-sliced?
Yeah, they probably turned some of that into that too.
Sharp, medium.
Ooh, black pepper, white cheddar.
I feel like we'd like that.
Yeah. Oh, this is the good stuff.
Which one are you gonna take, baby?
I'm gonna take one of each.
Only one per person.
Mmm. Kind's the best kind.
I personally like this smoked black pepper.
All right.
It's really good, and it's sold only here, so it's really
Okay.
popular.
All right. Thank you. What'd you get, baby?
I just got the regular medium cheddar. It's my favorite. I stick to what I know.
Only sold here, baby.
I know. I'm gonna try mine though. But you'll want to bite of mine.
Smoked black pepper. All right. We get these at home.
I know. They're my favorite.
All right. Smoked black pepper.
Try by yours. Is it spicy? Is it spicy? Good.
It tastes like smoked salmon.
Ugh. Got like crunchy things in it.
That's the pepper. It tastes like smoked salmon. It's pretty good. I wouldn't say it's too crazy, but it's pretty good. Good little snack. You need like a cheese hat.
Or a shirt that says cheesy.
I mean, seriously, how could you work here and not take a bite of cheese every once in a while? I would just have a big old block of cheese hiding under my workstation.
They probably have cameras, silly.
That'd be the cheesiest way to get fired.
They're adorable.
Eating cheese on the job. Look at that. You know what that is? It's a rat trap. It's for mice. They were.
Why? Because they come in from the cheese.
Well, yeah, they're coming for the cheese. I need to get some little cats out here too. Get some little
We should rub Bella.
farm cats. Old Tom and Jerry's. Wow. That's awesome. It's a real boat. All right, guys, we just finished our tour through the Tillamook cheese factory, and it was pretty crowded, lots of kids in there. So we kind of just walked around everybody, so it didn't really take very long to go through, but it was still pretty interesting. If it wasn't as crowded, I would have liked to have read a little more of how everything's done, but it's just too many people in there. Very busy for a Tuesday. It's Tuesday, right?
Yeah, it's super.
Wow, it's Tuesday. It's like you'd think it was a Saturday or Sunday up in there. But anyways, we were heading back to the car. We're gonna start our commute back to Cannon Beach and check out the Haystack Rock on the beach there. And we're gonna probably look for some food along the way at some point. Maybe we'll wait till Seaside. All right, we found a factory outlet for the Tillamook. Hopefully there is some beef sticks here. 2-foot sticks.
I want beef jerky.
2-footers. I know, that's what we're getting. Man. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, let's just get that. It's good.
Okay. That's what I'm talking about.
Yeah, I'll get that.
How's it going? Good.
$14. Would you like? Thank you. No, we don't need to see it. Thank you so much.
That's rad.
Happy in Oregon.
You think?
Oh.
Oh. I was
Not
gonna
at
say,
all.
gosh.
Not
I'll
at
say.
all. Like,
I think
it's too
people
bad.
just aren't that happy in general. We're just happy people. We just have a good life.
Right.
We got each other. I mean, you got me. I mean, how much happier could you
Well, I
get?
got these big old 2-foot long beef sticks.
Right, you got some
Can't
good,
go wrong with
got
that.
some good long beef when you're with me. Oh my God! Don't use your teeth. Oh my God! How can you do that? You got them good teeth, baby.
want me
My
to
teeth would have broke out.
shot it?
God, all right, you're driving. I know. I don't think I've ever been in the car with you driving. I don't think I've ever been in the car to witness Carmen driving. Anyways, we're gonna make our. We're gonna make our way on to Cannon Beach. We're gonna go check out the Haystack Rock. All right.
Cannon Beach is gonna be right on the way. I don't need to put it in my thing, right?
Okay. No, we're good.
Okay.
Unless I think we want to pull off in that one like little park.
Not the one, yeah, the one where Arcadia, I think it was Arcadia something, so we'll watch for that.
That
walk
one
down
that, it looked like it was...
Sandy Beach, but then there was the Arcadia Park. There's two back to back.
I felt like the second one that we saw was the one, but
The second, so it would be closest to us.
Yeah.
We're going the wrong way. Oh well.
Okay.
So the one closer to us.
All these cars,
Oh
right?
shit, baby.
Oh my God.
Okay, just go.
I'm going the wrong way. Oh my God, I hope the police don't catch me. Oh my God, they're gonna take me to jail, baby. Got to bail me out.
0.8 miles. Turn right
All right,
to Miami
so-
Road.
Oh my
Can you put all
God.
that in your
Look
mouth
at
at once? It's like a piece of
Look
licorice.
at that. Oh. We could eat it at the same time.
Like spaghetti, ladies in the tramp.
I always wanted to share some meat with my woman. We just found this little pull-off called Hug Point. I believe this trail goes down to the beach here, and I think Haystack Rock's gonna be over there, and that's what I believe, but I'm not from here, so I don't know nothing. Looks like the weather took a little bit of a turn, so she's a little bit cloudy. Carmen's got my sweatshirt. It's not cold yet, but it's definitely not sunny anymore. Oh, the tide's coming in too, so okay. A little breezy now. Yeah, I don't know if we'll be able to get around this point right here. Pretty rough terrain coming in. Oh yeah, this is nice. Nice sand. It's a little cave over here.
That'd be cool to go there and make a little fire in there.
Yeah. Looks like somebody did.
Huh?
Looks like somebody did.
I know, they probably do every night. It's probably like the naked beach or whatever. Like they're rehabbing Washington.
Teddy Bear Cove.
Yeah.
There ain't no naked people there. Trust me.
You already looked?
I already checked it out. There ain't no naked people there.
Whatever.
Probably looks colder in the video than it is. It's actually not cold at all. Like there's no wind.
65.
The look of it feels cold, but it's not cold at all. There's like not even any wind. Oh, it'd suck if today was the day that this decided to take a fall.
Babe.
Oh yeah, we gotta go on this. Baby, come on. We gotta go on this. Oh, I feel like we need like headlamps and like
Is that a
ropes
snake?
and candles. Better not be. I don't like no damn snakes. I'm like the Indiana Jones of the Northwest. Wow, it's like creaking. It's like it's wet. Come here, baby. It's probably gonna be bats in here and stuff. Wow. This is pretty cool. Oh, it's literally dripping. Oh.
What is it?
It's awesome.
There's a waterfall over there.
Okay, I don't think we can get there from here. I guess when the tide's in, you can't get to Haystack. But the tide's coming in, so it doesn't look like you can walk over there right now. It's a little breezy over here, so that big rock right here was actually stopping the wind. Now it's windy. As soon as we walk around this point, super windy. Look at this scenery right here. She doesn't like the wind. This is pretty cool though. So this is Cannon Beach, I believe. Is it not Cannon Beach? Okay, we must have come to the wrong spot because I guess you can't get the Haystack Rock from over here. Unless the tide's out, because then you could walk around. You remind me of like a little, like those little Jabba things in Star Wars.
Ewoks.
No, not the Ewoks, the ones that like scavenge like the planet and like take stuff and like sell droids to... I love you. All right, guys, this is not Cannon Beach, but we are trying to make our way back to the car to go to Cannon Beach. So,
Carmen doesn't fall for it.
yeah. All right, guys, we're winding the night down a little bit. We are going to go check out the beach for a minute, and then we're gonna go check out the pool. Gotta check out the fit. What do we got going on here? What do we got? What's that?
Fanny pack.
What's in it?
All my things.
All the good stuff. What you got here? You got the bikini on? sun just went down. It was crazy bright in here a minute ago. I took a little dip in the pool. How's it feel?
Okay.
I don't know how to turn the jets on. I turned the timer on, but it's not
It
going.
doesn't feel like it's working. It's broke.
Snacks looking at me over there, baby. They're intimidating me.
We already have snacks in the room.
Baby, the snacks are looking at me. That bag of Cheetos just said something to me.
You littered your Red Bull up there too.
I'm watching my Red Bull up there.
Make sure none of those little kids grab it.
I don't know what the sound of that is. I don't know if that's just a vent or what. I wonder if the pump's like overheated or something, because if I turned it all the way off and then on, there's like the little spot in the switch where it wanted to kick on. And that's when you can see it bubble.
Yeah, but you don't want to make it worse.
Yeah. I feel like every time you go to a public place, the hot tub or the pool or something's broken. The ice cream machine. Oh, this is gonna put us to sleep.
We'll sleep good, hopefully. Better than last night, hopefully. There won't be any ducks quacking at you and no spiders eating.
I know. I had some dreams last night, guys. I had a killer duck after Carmen.
It wasn't a duck, it was a
I woke up and I
seagull.
swear to God I felt like a spider or a bed bug or something bite my leg.
No marks to prove it.
And then it was only like 135 degrees inside the bedroom, so that part sucked.
Yeah, the room's really tiny.
But we did figure out that it
No
did
AC.
come with AC.
Oh, it has a fan.
Came with a fan in the closet. So we plugged that in.
Should help.
But man, that was in the bed was not comfortable. Not
And then
gonna
opening
lie.
the windows, but there's a lot of people up late.
You had to open up the windows, all the creep balls walking by.
Yeah, people were talking till 2 a.m. We were halfway through our nighttime by then.
I ain't complaining, but man, yeah, I didn't sleep the first half of the night, but
We'll sleep better tonight because we got
Yep.
a long day tomorrow.
yep. So our plan is, what's our plan?
Tomorrow?
Yes.
It's my birthday.
Yes, it's Carmen's 37th birthday.
Close enough.
And what are we gonna do?
Drive to California and hopefully do some sightseeing along the way.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
And first of all, we're gonna have a birthday party.
Yeah.
And then where are we going to in California?
I don't know yet. We're going to be in Oregon for a few hours before we even get to Northern California. We're going to stop halfway through so that we can drive the California coast in the daylight. Otherwise, that'll put us in, if we drove straight through, it would put us in LA 12 hours after the time we leave, and that'll be the middle of the night. So we leave in the morning. So we're going to go about halfway, maybe Southern Oregon or Northern California. Make sure to fill up in Oregon before we go into California where the gas is more expensive. Find a place to land for the night.
Mm-hmm.
And then we'll get up and drive that coast and see the Big Sur and drive the California coast to LA.
Mm-hmm. So our next big stop is LA. We're trying to tour Hollywood, Oceanside, Santa Monica, all that good stuff. And then we are going to head on over to Vegas after that. But anyways, that about wraps it up for today's vlog. So if you guys could please smash that like button, I'd really appreciate it. If you guys could leave a comment down below. She doesn't care what it is, it just helps our channel out. And if you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button. We'll see you on the next one.
Ooh, like LeBron though, or like Bonzo. Ooh, I'm a baller, yeah, shot caller, yeah. They love me, you can't touch me, nah, can't trust me. I'm too lucky. Look at me, look at